Hello, today I will show you top 15 lakes to visit in Arkansas. So let's start with the number 1, Lake Dardanelle. Number 2, Beaver Lake. Number 3, Greer's Ferry Lake. Number 4, Lake Maumelle. Number 5, North Fork Lake. Number 6, Bull Shoals Lake. Number 7, Lake Ouachita. Number 8, DeGray Lake. Number 9, Millwood Lake. Number 10, Lake Conway. Number 11, Lake Grison. Number 12, White Oak Lake. Number 13, Lake Chicot. Number 14, Nimrod Lake. And the last one, number 15, Table Rock Lake.